Hey, what's up Shiba holders, how are you? So finally friends, in this video I will show you friends the pump. What is the pump? Now my friends, today video I will show you friends the pump. My friends, that is a pump. That's called pump. So keep watch this video till the end for more details, and please click the subscribe button. If you listen my voice, don't ignore and kindly click the subscribe button. Also like this video my friends for more this kind of news and updates videos about Shiba coin. Hope you all subscribe my channel. So let's start the video friends, and first of all we look the latest price of the Shiba, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move coming soon in the Shiba my friends. Keep watch. So my friends, the latest price update of the Shiba is 0.0007 USD dollar. Wait my friends, where are you going? Now I will show you friends the pump. What is a pump? Keep watch my friends, I will show you friends that is a pump. That is called a pump. Keep watch my friends. And on the other side you can see here that I know my friends, I know that the previous price change is very bad. In the previous time the Shiba is gone wrong. But if you look the present situation of the Shiba in the market, so once again my friends, Shiba is ready to the moon, and Shiba is the next skyrocket my friends, skyrocket my friends. Let me show you friends the pump. What is a pump? Let me show you my friends. My friends, this is a pump. That is called the pump my friends. That is the only last 50-minute pump. Only last 50-minute pump, and the 50-minute the pricing is positive 6.85%. So just multiply in the 24 hours how many minutes? Multiply 24 hours, so approximately 300 positive change occur in a Shiba in the one day my friends. If Shiba continue this kind of pump throughout this whole month, so they can easily hit a 1.50 USD dollar. If they continue this kind of pump my friends, so there is no doubt that Shiba will going to hit a 1.50 USD dollar my friends. But my friends, my prediction is that maybe my friends at some time in this month the price of Shiba in the falls down. There is no one cryptocurrencies that only and only take a jump. No, every cryptocurrencies after falls down for a little time, but after a falls they will again take a jump. That is the procedure. And maybe my friends, Shiba also falls down in the future. So but if Shiba falls down, so that's not mean that you decide to say no. You have to hold, you have to patience. That's how you make a profit with the Shiba coin. So at this time I recommend for everyone, if you are a holder, please hold it and don't decide to sell. If you want to invest in a Shiba, absolutely now this time that's a good idea for everyone to invest in a Shiba, because now this time the pumping time of Shiba are again start now friends. So tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about a Shiba, and how was this pump? Tell me in the comment box. Hope you all subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.